Do you love pendulums? I have several in my collection, and we created these in a very special way. This is clear Arkansas quartz, very clear with some citrine, tiger's eye, and then the top, or the handle if you will, is a piece of citrine. Isn't it beautiful? And this one is Arkansas clear quartz with amethyst beads. Oh, there's a little bit clearer. And then it has a clear quartz that was hand wrapped by me. Red jasper, red coral on clear quartz. And then we have this little beauty, which is red jasper, and I wove some malachite beads all the way through, and then we have some malachite and a little bit of chrysocolla. This one is malachite chrysocolla and tangerine quartz. Pendulums can help you with precise or precision answers when you give it clear yes and no's. Show us your no, sweetheart. Moving left to right. Now show us your yes. Moving forward and back, or north and south. Are you looking for your new forever home, for your right person? That would be a yes. All of these beauties are available for adoption. If you know someone that wants a beautiful pendulum, a handmade pendulum, unique, never to be recreated, even if I have the very same beads and crystals. Give you an idea how large this one is. It's huge. Look at that. I think it's probably 2.5, 3 inches in length. So this is the largest one, and you can see the others are of comparable size. So that's the largest one. This is the smallest one of clear quartz, and then this is a little baby one, or a delicate one. If you have any questions, let me know, beautiful soul.